simple, and it determines on you, and they will give you free trial, and then you will start paying. Or to do that, you can create another email so that you can access another credit. So without wasting our time, let's dive into the tutorial. The name of the website is I don't even know how to pronounce it. So I will drop the link into the comment section or to the description, or if you are from the group. So the first thing is that to type the title or the description of the video, how you want the video to look like. You can see they may ask you to create accounts the first time you click on this website. It can ask you to create an account with them. So after creating an account, this is how it will look like. So what you just have to do is just to input your title or your description. Maybe you have long or short. So I will just type a simple prompt here so that this tutorial will be very short. So a boy living so this is it, a boy living in a room with angry dog. So that is just it. You can input something more realistic and professional one than this, so I just try to input something. So it's just loading now, and it will load for some time. It have create title, page, character, you can see. So it will create it for us, and we are going to like it. So in the second video that I will send, you are going to be looking at how to get already written book. So we are just going to publish it and make money. You can see that is very simple. So let me pause this video so that the thing can load up. So you can see now this is our image, this is our ebook, and the thing give us title. So you can see the brave belly and something like that. So you can see, you can just click on next here to see it. You can see so this is the book actually with text. But one thing is that if you want to save this ebook, if you want to save this particular picture with the text, it won't save together. So what you just have to do is just to screenshot it so that you can save both together. So let me just explain. If you want to save it like this, you will click on it and hold. So if you want to save it, if you want to save it like that, you will click on it and hold. But if you want to but it will save only the image. So and you want the image with the text here, so we have to screenshot it. So I will just screenshot it and I will crop it out. You can see, so I've screenshot it now. I'll click on edit. It determines on your phone, so I will just crop it out like this. So this is how it will do, you will do for everything. So after doing it like this, you will now combine everything together as an ebook. So if you download it like this, it will only include the image. Let me just open it so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. You can see now the text is not inside again. So due to that fact, we are going to be screenshotting it one by one. So after screenshotting it, the next step is for you to just move to. So the next thing is that you go to JPG to PDF, any website that can help you to change PDF to JPEG to PDF, PQ to PDF. So but I will use this one. I will drop the link in the comment section. I love .pdf. So just click on JPG to PDF. After you click on it, it's very simple. Upload your image. You select your image, select according to the first one how you download it. So but I don't have it here because I don't want to stress myself. I don't save it. So if this one is the first one you screenshotted, you just select it like this. Here you get me, and you click on done. So after clicking on done, you can see that these have already uploaded, and you will just click on convert to PDF. So it will load for some time to convert to PDF. It will load for some time to convert to PDF. So it is 83 now, so let's just wait for it to load. But in the case of yours, you have to upload the real image view. screenshotted, but due to the fact that me I don't screenshot to show you guys me, so just click on download PDF. You can see it, I've already downloaded. It asks me to use my Google Drive to open it. Sure you get me. So just click on. So this is it here. You can see that I have already edit it itself. So the next thing for me is to just download it on my phone if I will need it on my phone. So you can just see it here. That's already uploaded everything. But in the case of yours, you have to upload the photo. So just click on this 3-dotted line here. This 3-dotted line, the top right corner, and click on download. You can see download there. Click on download and it automatically download to your phone, and this PDF is already on your drive. So if you want to maybe sell it, you know how to get them back. So thank you for watching this video tutorial, and if you are meeting me for the first time, my own name is Graphics Art, and this is Graphics Art Digital Academy, where we teach you how to operate mainly AI and other stuff that can help you. So do subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop your comment. So thank you for watching this video. I'm out.